Hello student, good afternoon. I am Irsa Siddiqui, chemistry teacher. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 11th class. The topic is some basic concept of chemistry. I am going to discuss according to the revised syllabus by the CBSE, and the subtopics are importance of chemistry, scope of chemistry, atomic mass, molecular mass and formula mass. So first of all, what is the importance of chemistry? There are so many importance of chemistry because that is food we use, it is actually a mixture of chemicals. Medicine we use is also a chemicals. Soap we use for the cleaning. Our bathing is also a chemicals. Cement we used for the construction of the building is also a chemicals. Antacid we use to reduce the pain of our body is also a chemicals. Paste we use for brushing of our teeth is also a chemicals. So there are so many importance of chemistry. Next one is, what is the scope of chemistry? Scope means the chance or opportunity to do something. So there are following scope of chemistry, that is in soap industry, paper industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry and pharmaceutical industry. So there are so many scopes of chemistry. Next one is atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass can be defined as mass of one atom in gram is known as atomic mass. Is known as atomic mass. Atomic mass can be measured with the help of mass spectrometry. It is an instrument. So with the help of mass spectrometry, we can measure the atomic mass of a single atom in a gram. But actually, atomic mass is always calculated with respect to AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Then what is AMU? 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon, one atom of carbon 12 is equal to 1 AMU. So 1/12 1/12 mass of one atom 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So after calculation, the value is 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So we can calculate the atomic mass of hydrogen atom with respect to AMU. Mass of one atom of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen, which is measured with the help of mass spectrometry, is equal to 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24. So with respect to AMU, 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 divided by AMU value 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24. So after calculation we get 1.008, which is approx equal to 1. So mass of hydrogen atom, that is atomic mass of hydrogen atom, mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1, that is 1 AMU. So in periodic table, in some basic concept of chemistry chapter, the atomic mass given in AMU. For example, the atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 AMU. How we get 12 AMU? Mass of one atom of carbon, with respect to AMU is equal to 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24. After calculation, the value is equal to 12. So, with the help of AMU, we can calculate mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12, which is given in your book. Okay? So, with the help of AMU, we can calculate the atomic mass of an atom. Next one is molecular mass. Molecular mass. Molecular mass may be defined as sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in a molecule. For example, the formula of methane is CH4. How we can calculate the molecular mass of CH4? Mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12. Mass of one atom of hydrogen is equal to 1. Here 4 atom present, 1 into 4. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So molecular mass of methane is equal to 16. Next, molecular mass of oxygen, O2. Mass of one atom of oxygen is equal to 16, where 2 atom of oxygen is present, so 16 into 2 is equal to 32. So the molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 32. How we can calculate the molecular mass of glucose? First, you know the formula of glucose, C12H22O11. Okay? C, mass of one atom of carbon 12. 12 into 12 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 11. After calculation, we get 180 AMU, because the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass is AMU. So molecular mass of glucose equal to 180 AMU. Next one is formula mass. How we can calculate the formula mass? Formula mass is applicable for ionic compound. Because ionic compound is not present in form of single entities. For example, NaCl. In NaCl, each Na ion is surrounded by 6 Cl and each Cl minus ion is surrounded by 6 Na. So it is very difficult to calculate the mass. We know the formula of NaCl. So in NaCl is an ionic compound because it contains Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, that is it contains one metal and one non-metal. So formula mass of NaCl is 23. Atomic mass of NaCl and Na 23 and Cl 35.5. So formula mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 AMU. So the unit of atomic mass is AMU, unit of molecular mass is AMU, unit of formula mass is also AMU. Okay, so you are required to write the different formula and calculate the formula mass, molecular mass and atomic mass, which is very important to study chemistry. So all are required to focus for the calculation of molecular mass, formula mass and atomic mass. In next video I will discuss next topic, that is mole concept. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much.